Holler, what's going on? Holler gang, what's going on with you? Yeah, you y'all see Holler too? Did you say holler with me? Did you say holler with Ace? If not, here's your chance. Here is your chance. Holler! Yes, that's right. Hey, we at my church, Zion Hill Missionary Baptist, right here in Indianapolis. Hey, we having a car show. We got a fall festival. We got hayride going. We got food setting up. We got food. Man, hey, y'all come on out. Well, let me rephrase that, because by the time y'all get this, it's gonna be over. So just enjoy the festivities as I take y'all through everything. But hey, for some folks haven't seen Holler II, let's go around Holler II. Come on. So as you know, this is Holler II. Y'all see it. Holler II. So the forged carbon, I laid it on the hood. I laid it on the bow tie. I laid the tire stickers. I painted the calibers. Y'all see the old wrap. Y'all see the wrap. You know to subscribe, like, share all my videos. Go back and check them out if you haven't seen them. And come on back. Yeah, buddy. So, just in case you don't know, Holler II is here. So let's take a ride through some of these some of the cars that's here now. There's gonna be more that shows up, but we have this Mustang 5.0. We got the C6. We got the old BMW sitting here. No, not that one, but this one. We got the old Hellcat. Whoa. I don't know what year, but it's an older one. It's the straight body, not the wide body. We got another Mustang. Ooh, Outlaws. Oh. Get to know it. We got another Hellcat. We got the wide body right there. Uh-oh, we got the vets. We got the old vets sitting in. We got the old vets sitting. Pick-a-boo. And we got the old Camaro sitting, taking up the end. And he representing the SDs. And I think the Jeep gang is coming in too. So we got the Jeeps. That's Nightmare Tank. There you have it. This green one that just flew by, it's coming in. It just busted a U-turn. But we got a lot going on. It'll be some more footage. Just keep on rocking with me. I appreciate all the views from the from my last video at the Midwest Fest. Hey, I had a ball. It was so many more cars than what I showed, but y'all, hey, y'all keep rocking with me. I need y'all to subscribe. I need y'all to subscribe to my videos. I ain't scared of no rain. Rain better be scared of me. But let's get it. We about to go get something to eat. What's going on, Holler gang? What's going on? Which I told y'all I was coming back. Hey, so check this out. I'm gonna go around, show y'all what all we got going on over here. So first off, we got this. Yeah, we got some horseback riding. I ain't walking all the way over there, but y'all get the picture. There go the horses. So yeah, y'all see it. Hey, I gotta show y'all something real quick about Holler II. I forgot to show y'all earlier, but we gonna get over here. So I started a little something and I cleaned it up a little bit. So y'all see it. That's next. That's next. But y'all see it. That's Hollerrrr II. Don't be playing. Y'all see it. Y'all recognize. So everybody out here, we all out here trying to drive cars out for the car show. We got hoods up and everything. You gotta love the old M's, right? You gotta love the M's. Told you these daggone Jeeps that showed up. Told y'all these Jeeps. Told you we was gonna have these Jeeps. We just gonna walk through here. We just gonna walk through here. This one here is my daughter's, as y'all can tell. So y'all seen that one earlier. Oh, he didn't drop the top. He didn't drop the top. Camaro got his hood open. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Wow. Little see-through action. Oh, but it's a little dusty. It's a little dusty. All right. We got the Indy 3s. So let me show y'all this too. So we got the Indy 3s. As y'all seen as they rolled in. As they rolled in, we just gonna take a slide through. But check this out, check this out. They wanted you to see that. They wanted you to see that. Hey, I followed this on Instagram. So I seen when that got done. That one. But y'all see the color. Y'all see the color. That's nice. That's nice. This one right here is cold right here. Look at the eyelash. Got the eyelids going, the eyelashes going. Yeah.
Single elimination.
Yep, that's right. We got some cornhole going. I'm in that tournament. I gotta get in. You know, hey, hey, look at this. We got food. He over there doing it. Uh-oh.
Hey, I need
What's that?
about to have a cornhole competition, single elimination. It's my teammate. I need you to go practice stuff.
All right. I'm gonna give me a couple throws in. Oh, we forgot. We got the stuffed turkey legs over here. You got any turkey legs done?
Yes,
We just gonna take a peek.
Turkey legs.
Woo! Woo! Do you see the smoke? Oh, do y'all see that?
In the west corner over there.
Oh my goodness!
Oh,
Are y'all ready to eat? Woo! Yeah. Look at this, bull. Hey, man, it's all kind of Greek going on around here. Y'all see these Greek letters going on around here? Y'all see all these Greek letters going on around here? We got popcorn, hot dogs. Hey, we got it all for the kids. What we got over here? Woo! We got corn. We got corn.
You need a two-way video going.
What we got? What we got going on over here? Chicken and fries. Chicken and fries. We got hot chocolate going on over here. What you got going on?
We got walking tacos.
Walking tacos. Woo! Hey man, that's the newest hot flavor right there. I'm so tired of buying those. Oh boy, we just gonna stand down here and scroll. Woo-wee. All them sweets.
Y'all got some of that?
Okay,
that's okay.
all right, so y'all see it. Hey, we out here about to have some fun, so I'm about to go over here and practice a little bit of cornhole. I'm gonna get some footage during the game, but let's rock with it. Look at y'all. Y'all too big to be getting that candy. What are y'all doing? Stop robbing that candy. Stop robbing that candy. Why y'all getting that candy for? Y'all better stop getting that candy.
I'm gonna get candy.
Hey, I just got me a couple of Tootsie Rolls. That's all I need. Look at all these kids. Kids getting this candy. They getting this candy. They getting that candy. They getting that candy. That's right. Told y'all, man. We have fun over here at the hill. So holler. Whoa, that's the rev contest, y'all. Right there. Here's your winner right here. That's your winner right there.
I know I ain't got the end. You know what I'm saying? Like
me either. But hey,
as far as show,
oh yeah, I'm over there. I'm over there.
Are they doing the show like the?
I don't know who's doing. I don't even know who's doing the judging.
What are we factoring in?
I don't know.
Have the movie playing, like the movie already playing when I pull up.
Yeah.
Playing in the back seat as well. I ain't even come here for no car show anyway. I just pulled up something crazy.
Whoa! Don't think you won't! Don't think you won't! Man, we be having fun here at our church. Well, I tell you. Hollerrrr II still sitting clean. They don't want none. We'll see who wins. We got the winner. All right. Hold up the trophy.
Oh, okay.
All right. I got it.
Thank you. Second year coming doing this for us. Everybody look over here at me.
Oh, okay, hold on.
Look over here. Look over here at me. Look right here.
We would like to thank everybody for coming out. We'd like to give a major shout out to the Indy Jeep gang. Indy 3s, though they had to leave because of the weather.
You too far up. Gotta scoot back. The speakers. Feedback.
Once again, shout out to Indy 3s, Indy Jeep gang. We do this once a year with the church partnering and hosting this fall festival. This year we were able to raise some funds to donate to the church. We'll be donating $750.
Everybody, y'all give my trail a hand. Give him a bigger hand.